In this video, we're going to install the DFS services on our servers, as well as configure DFS namespaces and replication role services. In order to do that, I have right here, I've gone ahead and I've powered on a server DC1 because this is going to be a domain-based DFS namespace, as well as DM1 and DM2 as our two partner servers. I'm logged in right now on server DM1, and if I open up PowerShell, we will see that I'm logged in as the domain administrator, which again is required because we are creating a domain-based namespace. Let's go make our text a little bigger. And I want to, in PowerShell, just run install-windows feature. And once tab complete finishes, there we go, fs-dfs-namespace, and then include management tools, and enter. When this is done, we will run another install. And so we'll be right back when it's ready for that. Our first, so file services, DFS, distributed file services, namespace feature installed successfully. We can see success was true and restart required. No. Let's go ahead and do the second install. So install-windows feature, fs-dfs-replication, and include management tools as well. Don't think we need to include the management tools. I'm going to do it anyways. While that's running, I'm going to go ahead and open up an additional PowerShell window, just so we don't have to wait for it. And we're going to create a share on the local C drive. So what I'm going to do is in PowerShell, I'm going to type in new-item, and then c:\\acct docs-type directory, and enter. So this creates a folder on the root of my C drive. And once I have the folder there, I'm going to type in new-smb share. There we go, tab complete. Dash name, we will call this accounting. Whoop. Try that again. New-smb share dash name accounting dash path c:\\acct docs dash full access, and we want administrators to have full access, and then dash read access, and we want everyone to have read access, and press enter. Similar to what we did previously, we've now created a folder and a share, except this time via PowerShell instead of via the GUI. Next thing we want to do is, now that we've set this up on our DM1, we want to go into DM2, install our PowerShell features, our DFS features, and create our file shares. In order to connect to DM2, I'm going to do enter-ps session space and then server DM2. So we are remotely connecting into server DM2 as the administrator. On DM2, we need to run, let's see, install-windows feature. Wait for tab complete. There we go. fs-dfs-replication. And press enter. And now that's going to install the DFS replication feature on a server DM2. When that's done, we will create our marketing docs folder as well. Let's see how the other PowerShell command is running. So my other PowerShell fs-dfs replication on DM1 has completed. And now we are installing it on DM2. And now that our install has finished on DM2, basically I need to create the directory, the accounting docs folder, and the SMB share as above. And what I'm going to do, I'm actually going to come up here, right click, or select all of that, right click, and then right click again to paste. That will create the accounting docs directory. And then scroll up a little bit more, get the SMB share, right click. No, correction. I was wrong. Let's try that again. It's not accounting docs that I want. I want new item, C:\MKT docs -type directory. And enter, and then new -SMB share, -name, marketing -path, C:\MKT docs -full access, administrators -read access everyone, and enter. All right. At this point, we can type in exit-ps session to exit out of server DM2, and that is the end of this activity.